Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is just a quick project share of some things I've been working on for the KLJUYP May release. So the first thing is the triple pocket or triple swap pocket, and this is how I did mine. I just added a little dangle up here, decorated the front, and I think this is so cute. I like that it can be condensed down for storage. But the other thing that I noticed is this is the same size as a, correct me if I'm wrong, A2, because it's just a hair bigger than 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So you could turn this into a cool card and then have like little like treats and goodies stuffed in the front. I think that would be so cute. For birthday mail or even just for somebody in your life with a birthday. So that is that one, and I'll show you what the die looks like. So I have it kind of, I don't put my dies on magnets really anymore, but the triple swap pocket, I need to get my label maker out. I'll show the paintbrush, sorry, the paintbrush mini album. Lots of fun pieces to do all kinds of things. But I went ahead and did mine as a card. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already. But here is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm just getting over being sick. But I made it into a card, and I used one of the cutouts to make a pocket to hold a gift card. So it fits in there, and then you can put your little note over there, and it is so perfect. I think this would be so cool to use for like maybe somebody who's graduating from like art college, or somebody who's just artsy, and you could do the Hobby Lobby or Michael's kind of gift card in there. This would also be really cool. You could turn it into like a hairstylist, like their dye brushes I think could work too. Painters, there's just so many options, and I just think it's so cute. It is a bulky card, but I don't care. I think it's cute. This flower is also part of the release. It's this mini daisy flower plate. I used the leaves and the flower. The leaves, I kind of went with the theme of the paper. It's just a Hobby Lobby paper. And I just cut it out in white and then put a black outline on the outside of the leaves. And then here is what the flower looks like. And I think it's so cute. That's the only one I've put together of the flowers so far. I mean, I kind of was playing with different ways to like change the petals, just figuring out what way I like the best. And I didn't, you know, this one I stacked the different sizes. I even tried this way. I don't like this way, but I like to do that with flower dies just to see what looks the best. So there, I did that one. What's this one? The purse. Okay, so this is the 3D purse style treat box. And I did mine just a little bit different, of course. I added cute little feet. It's got Velcro, and then I did the handle on Brad's on the side. It does limit opening it just a hair, but I don't think that's that bad of a thing. And this would be so cute to include little gifts for your swaps, or you know, even just a gift for someone. Like you could put lotion in there and a lip balm and like make it a purse theme. But yeah, I think that's really cute, and I like how it came out. Let's see, we have, oh, and I didn't mention that the letters on here are the high school alphabet letters. I love the size. They're not too big and not too small, and I just think they make such cute way to like make your own sentiments or personalize things. And for the next one, I did the little makeup zipper pouch, and I added the word duh because I was playing with 90s stuff, so I did the cheetah print paper. And this is also a pocket. Let me get my little gift card. and there's nothing on it, so if you see the back, there's you're not gonna get anything off of it. But yeah, you could put it that way, or you can, you know, put it down in there flat to be more hidden. But I'm obsessed with this die. I think this is like my favorite die from this release. And then the last one is the Swan Trio. Now this normally comes with 3 sizes when you purchase the die, but they only sent me 1 size. And I'm guessing it's the small, but it might, I'm not sure. But this is what I did, and I think they came out so stinking cute. I added the feather. Each wing has just a little bit of foam on it, and then the little gemmies, just to add a little extra. And these are just so stinking cute. I haven't decided how I want to use them yet, but there's so many options. But that is everything, I believe. Yes, that's everything that I've made for this release. I will have the bundle linked down below, so you can go over and check out what you might want to purchase. Let me know, what's your favorite? What's your favorite die from this this release that you've seen, not just from things that I've created, but what you've seen other people create? Have you picked any of them up? But that is everything for today. So until next time, happy crafting.